When I'm working with organizations and having that conversation about reducing turnover, we have to take some time to really look at the root cause of why it's happening. And a great exercise to get to the root cause in anything in your organization is the 5 whys. So as 2 decades HR professional from the manufacturing industry, there is a lot of symptoms going on at any point in time. There is always a fire to fight. And so when you get down to root causes, you can actually change the path of multiple things that are dysfunctional in your operation. And I'll link at the end of this video a great priority tool called the Pareto 80-20 rule, where you can actually focus on only 20% of your problems and it affects 80% of your operation. So I'll link that at the end of this video. If we aren't connected yet, make sure that you subscribe, share this out to your leaders as we continue to dig into workforce strategies, workforce energy management, and begin to lead the change. So what the 5 whys are is exactly what it sounds like. You're asking why 5 different times to get down to the root cause of what's actually going on, and it really opens up where the dysfunction is coming from. Because in most meetings, you are talking about symptoms. When we talk about burnout, that's a symptom. When we talk about disengagement, that's a symptom. When we talk about turnover, that's a symptom. The real problem lies 5 layers deep. So let's talk about turnover. The first why. Why are employees leaving? Some answers might be because they feel disengaged, because they feel unmotivated. All right, let's move to the second one. Why do they feel disengaged or unmotivated? So you're just asking off of that answer. Because they don't have career growth, because they don't know what's next, because they don't have development opportunities. All right, okay. Let's ask a third why. Why don't they see career growth and development and opportunities? We have a lot of opportunities within our organization. Okay, get rid of the excuse. Focus on the why. Why don't they see career growth and development in our organization? Because managers aren't actively having the conversation. They're in micromanagement, not in coach mode. Or they don't have time to create career paths. Okay. Let's go to the fourth why. Let's dig in just a little bit further. Why aren't managers coaching or creating career growth paths, especially in an ever-changing world? Well, the answer is probably because they haven't been trained. They don't have the tools to do it. They're stuck in the day-to-day, focused on the short-term productivity measures instead of the big goals. Which brings us to number 5 why. Why are managers only focused on short-term productivity? And most likely the answer is because leadership prioritizes immediate results over long-term workforce strategy. Okay, turnover isn't the issue. Pay, benefits, not the issue. It's a lack of leadership development and long-term workforce planning. That's the root cause. Now, do you see the power shift? That if we do leadership training, give them the skills to not only lead the change, but give them change management process and models to go off of to have these conversations, you just created a foundation for them to create career paths. You created a foundation for them to start the conversation with their employees and start working on long-term workforce planning. So the solution is fix our turnover problem. That's a symptom. The solution is train our managers on coaching and career development. Facilitate discussions in which leaders are accountable for that career developments and career paths, not just output and productivity. So this type of strategy, using the 5 whys, just switched us from reacting to turnover to proactively retaining talent. So next time you have a problem come up and you know it's a symptom, I want you to ask the 5 whys.